A series of exciting developments are shaping the future of AI technology and its applications across various domains. Recently, a comprehensive tutorial introduced an innovative way to build intelligent multi-agent systems through the PEER pattern: plan, execute, express, review. This hands-on guide demonstrates how to develop collaborative AI agents within Google Colab. Leveraging Google's Gemini 1.5 Flash model via a free API, to tackle complex tasks across sectors like finance, technology, and creative strategy. Such architectures enable practical multi-agent workflows that can be iteratively refined, fostering more sophisticated and high-quality AI outputs in real-world scenarios. In addition, a new Python library named Trackio is gaining attention as a free, local-first, open-source solution for experiment tracking in machine learning projects. Designed to serve as a drop-in replacement for popular tools like WANDB, it emphasizes data privacy by default, runs experiments locally, and offers seamless integration with Hugging Face's ecosystem, including transformers and Accelerate. Its lightweight codebase of under 1,000 lines ensures ease of auditing, extension, and customization. Importantly, Trackio facilitates data portability, making experiment data easily exportable for comprehensive analytics without reliance on proprietary cloud services, which benefits researchers focused on privacy and flexibility. Meanwhile, the AI landscape continues to evolve with significant moves from industry giants. OpenAI, preparing to launch GPT-5, faces skepticism about whether groundbreaking improvements are on the horizon, while leaks and internal competitions with firms like Anthropic underscore an intense race for advanced language models. Notably, recent reports reveal that Anthropic has revoked OpenAI's access to Claude models following a contractual breach, highlighting ongoing strategic and ethical tensions in AI development. Further, geopolitical dynamics influence AI regulation and cooperation. China's World AI Conference emphasizes global collaboration over unilateral regulation, contrasting U.S. approaches driven by deregulation and competition. Meanwhile, new cybersecurity insights reveal offensive patents from Shanghai FireTech linked to potential hacking activities, illustrating the increasing militarization of AI and cyber capabilities in global power shifts. In innovation news, AI-powered tools are transforming sectors as varied as curriculum planning and student dropout prediction. For instance, advanced models now accurately forecast student enrollment, diversity outcomes, and course logistics using engineered features and multivariate time series transformed from individual data, enabling universities to set informed goals and optimize resource allocation. Cutting-edge techniques, such as grouping students by credit ranges and applying risk stratification through AI traffic light systems, allow early intervention for at-risk students.